Greetings. Today I want to speak to you concerning initiates of the spark. And I'm speaking to you as one who would have had this experience of the divine spark that is within. And so I'm doing this video to help those who have been resonating with the message that I've been teaching down through the years concerning how the sun, the sun, parallels the human imagination, and how the human imagination parallels the sun. But without the sun, the sun, there's no life and there's no light. And without the human imagination, there isn't anything made that was made. So when it comes to knowing your solar power, it is important for you to actually know who you are. And so you'll be able to operate your solar power. You see, everyone is accustomed to electricity, but very few realize that they are electrical and magnetic. And so, down throughout the ages, they have always been self-realized beings. Yet, people who look like me are not accustomed to hear people speak about being initiated into the solar science of the ages, the solar science of the divine power that is within. And the reason for that is because they make sure that they keep our people from the knowledge of knowing who they are. And so they give them an outside Lord, Savior, Master, and Redeemer. And they give them a S-O-N to believe in instead of the S-U-N. But my brother and my sisters, based on my experience and everything that I've been teaching you down through the ages, it's based on my experience, not what I read in a book. I use books for confirmation to my great awakening experience. And so when I look at these books, they give me the confirmation. And that is how I know for sure our people have been kept for so many years in mental slavery. And mental slavery also equals economic slavery. And this is the time you have to set yourself free, because this is the year of truth and abundance. This is the time you have to come into your abundant self. And if you have any common sense at all, you will realize that the sun reflects nothing but abundance. Wisdom, knowledge, understand everything is within the power of the sun. And this is where you get your energy and your power from to have this human experience. So my brother, my sisters, I've been initiated not by any group, not by any secret society, because there are people who ask me many times and ask me those kind of questions. I've been initiated by the ancestors. And so I'm not coming to you pretending to be one who know it all, and one who knows that what he's teaching, that is the ultimate truth. Because you see, many times I listen to people quote many different books and they try to downplay the Bible. But the same thing is in the Bible when you really understand the Bible, the way how the other books were written and what they were pointing you to know. When you understand that, you'll understand everything basically in the Bible. And you will understand basically reverse psychology. And that's why you just have to use reverse psychology, because if a book could be used to keep you in mental slavery, then that same book definitely could be used to free you from mental slavery. It's basic common sense. So my brother, my sisters, there's a lot of fake out there. There's a lot of information out there. And there's a lot of people who have information and they're talking based on information, but I'm speaking based on experience. And I'm saying to you that there's a divine spark in each and every one of us. You have to activate that divine spark. You have to seek to know who you are. And I cannot say that there are specific things you must do to encounter or have the experience of that spark that is within that divine spark. I would call it grace. I would call it true love, divine love, which is unmerited, unconditional. That's the word I was looking for, unconditional love. Okay, and that is what brought me to this place, that I can bring a message of self-realization to you. I can bring a message of freedom to you. I can bring a message of redemption to you. I can bring a message whereby I'm pointing you to look within yourself to discover everything that you will ever desire. A message to teach you that your real identity is your divinity, and to teach you that there's a divine spark that is within you, and that divine spark will one day explode within you, and it will happen just like a volcanic eruption. Okay, and you will definitely experience the dawning of a new day. You'll definitely understand, okay, the new birth. You definitely understand your divine self, and you will not be afraid or being fearful of death. Okay, and your eyes will be open. Okay, and you will see all the deception. You will see all of the distraction, and you will see all of the things that have been set down in this society to keep you blind. Okay, so that you would know that your real identity is your divinity. So with that being said, my brother and my sisters, I really want to come to a close, and I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me, what I'm saying, if it really makes sense to you and it really resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I'm definitely encouraging you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram or you like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at BlackMadGuru. And if you would like to grab a hold of my work, my latest book, it's called The Secret Vagina, Mystery of the Virgin Birth. I definitely encourage you to get a book, and also spiritual recipe for better living. Also, you can get the Know Jesus Bible, which is the 66 books of magic, the Overcomers Bible, plus my other books like Your Mood is Your Fortune and so on. But I definitely encourage you to check out all of the links that are down below. Also, if you want to be a part of my page and community, you're most welcome. And I have a course here for people who are donating $20 or more. It's called the Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously. And along with that is a bonus course and self-concept, plus much more. So whatsoever you desire, my encouragement to you to just check out all of the links that are down below and let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So with that being said, my brothers and my sisters, I just want to say peace, love you all, I'm out.